Hi there everyone, in this video I'd like to show you a very interesting product, which is this wireless charging station. As you can see also by the shape of the box, there is something special about it. But first let me just show you what's in the box. Yeah, so this is how the box looks like, very interesting shape, but the most important is to see what is inside. It opens like this, and this is the main unit. And yeah, it comes obviously with a user manual, which I strongly recommend to have a look at in order to understand all the functionalities of the product. And this is the product. It comes with a UK plug. And also the charging cable is over here, USB Type-C, and this is the charging station. Now just a quick overview of the product. This is where you can charge your iPhone, and the charging power is 15 watts. This one is for the Apple Watch, 3 watts charging power, and for the wireless earbuds, 5 watts. And as you can see, the shape is really interesting, and this is how it looks on the side. And this is how it looks at the back. And here it has the port, the USB port for the charging cable. And here, as you can see, it has another USB type A. So basically you can plug another device and you can charge it outside this station. Here it has a pad, and here is the power button. Now I'm going to plug it and I'm going to show you something interesting. Now this is the special feature that I was mentioning about. All around it has light, as you can see, just like this, and it looks pretty interesting. And in order to activate it, there is a button over here with touch, and if you press once, it's gonna activate the second mode, and the third mode, which the intensity is stronger. And like this, you can also use this one as a lamp in your bedroom, and at the same time charge your devices. Now the device is connected, and I can easily charge my earbuds by placing them here. Here I can charge my iWatch, and here I can charge my iPhone. As you can see, it is charging, and there's no need for a special case or something. As you can see, this is the back of the phone, and I just place it here like this, and if I want, I can easily remove it with only one hand. Now, without any doubt, this is a very interesting wireless charging station. It has 3 options. Also, it has the USB at the back that will allow you to charge another device, so basically 4 at the same time. It also has the light option, which can be easily controlled by just tapping on the product. And yes, I absolutely love it. It's a very practical and nice looking product, so I highly recommend it.